step is going to be to reset the maintenance required light that comes on whenever your oil interval comes up. All right, so first thing you're going to do, insert the key to the ignition. Then you're going to want to rotate the ignition over to the on position there. So it's going to be, first click is accessory, second is going to be on. From there you can see that the dash has lit up, and that maintenance required light is right over there in the top left hand corner. So in order to reset it, all we're going to do is make sure odometer is showing. Let me show you what I mean. So if you got your trip odometer up, that's not what you want. You want just a plain odometer. So trip A, trip B, don't care about those. We're going to go to the odometer. Then we're going to turn the key off. We're going to press and hold the odometer button down while we turn the key to run. So I'm going to press and hold here. And when you do that, you'll get these blinking dashes that come up. It'll show all zeros. Then the light's reset. That's all you have to do.